Hello students, this is Dominic. This week we are doing online, or you are doing online activity 1. It is about stakeholder mapping. This is going to be a group activity initially, and then when we get to step 4 there's an individual step, but let's go through it. So in class we started your stakeholder mapping where you had that document where you listed the stakeholder and then had to choose the large circle, the middle-sized circle, or the small circle to identify how important they are to reaching your goal. I want you to revisit your list from the class and see and discuss with the group if there's any stakeholders that's missing and then you want to add as we've gone through the whole process in class. Okay, that's step 1, and I think step 2 is then the Venn diagram. So the Venn diagram is that circle that represents now you're looking at your different stakeholders and you're going to make a judgment at this moment in time. How is the current relationship with that organization? So for example, if you see Department of Health as a critical partner for to reach your goal, but they are very uninvolved in your project currently, you will put them as a large circle because they're important, but you'll put them very far away. So I want you to do that for all your stakeholders. You're going to make a judgment on that at this time for all your stakeholders, and then when we get to step 3, let's see. Step 3, you're going to take your stakeholders and how you need to present the Venn diagram is please take a photo. I would make a suggestion to use what is it called? Lens. What's that scanning app?
Office Lens.
Office Lens. I think you can get it on an Apple or an Android phone, and I'm sure there's one person in your group at least that has a smartphone that can do that. And then send that photo or post it on the blog or the forum where we're going to have the discussion. I think it's a forum. Yes, it's a forum called Stakeholder Mapping. And then lastly, step 4 is you're going to take the stakeholders that you've identified, whatever number it is, and divide it equally between the group. And you are going to discuss according to the reflection points that's highlighted in step 4. You can do a discussion in the group, but everybody needs to individually do this exercise. Whether you discuss in the group, it's your own choice, but you will be individually then posting your reflections about the stakeholders that were given to you in your group to the forum. So post your individual reflections based on the group of stakeholders that you were assigned in group to a blog, and let the title of your blog be Stakeholder Mapping. Go to the blog post of at least 2 other students and comment on their blog post. What strikes you as different from your own reflections? Is there anything similar? Be critical in the way you look at it. And that's it. So we will see you online on Tuesday, 6 to 7, to discuss and to ask any questions related to this specific online activity, or if there's anything else in the bigger picture that you want to ask questions about. But this is building blocks and it will build on each other. Okay, bye-bye.